guys, welcome back to our class on web development with Prendo Digital Marketing Agency. Like you've all known, my name is Sam Mavis and I am happy that you've made it this far with the course. So today we are going to talk about plugins, themes and plugins when it comes to WordPress web development. Okay, so what are themes? Okay, a theme is defined as a group of files, graphic style sheets and code that dictate the overall appearance of a blog or website. Okay, so that's a simple definition of a theme. It is just the style, the graphics and the color used in the designing your website. Okay, like when you open to any website on the internet, it has its basic themes. All right, let's take for instance this one. You see, like Bluehost, from its color templates, from its font size, font themes, and everything structured. Okay, these are themes. All right, now let's go to plugins. Okay, so what are plugins? Plugins are individual pieces of software or code that add additional functionality to your WordPress website. You can think of them like little apps. Alright, so for plugins, guys, plugins are just like apps. When you buy a new phone, it comes with its default apps. Okay, so when you need WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Snapchat, you go to Play Store, you download the apps. Okay, this is the same thing when it comes to web development. Alright, with WordPress, you have to go to its own app store where you can download plugins. Okay, in this case, the only difference here in this case, you will be the name is plugins instead of apps. Okay, now with that said, guys, the next important issue that we'll be looking at, it is how we can add themes and plugins to our WordPress websites. Okay, without no further ado, guys, let us head over to our browser. Okay, in our last class we talked about how you can log into your WordPress website after purchasing your domain name, how you can work with your cPanel, how you can install autoresponders and your webmails. So today we'll be looking at how you can install plugins to your website. Okay, now first let's go to themes. All right, so when it comes to just permit me delete these tabs, they're getting me confused. Delete these tabs. Okay, all right, getting me confused. Here's it. All right, so when you log into your WordPress dashboard, this is it here, and let's go and see our website live. Okay, you come here to this little home button here and you click on visit site. With this one I'll be opening it on a new tab. Okay, my network is bad this morning. Okay, yeah, so this site is a site from my friend I was currently working on. So I've already installed some themes and install some plugins, which I'll be showing you how you can do that. Okay, I'll be showing you how you can do that. So this is the name of the site, camelusreviews.com. so back to our dashboard. So this is our dashboard. This is where you can come to home, update. You can update your WordPress dashboard, and there's no need for that. You have posts, you have media, you have pages, you have comments. So first we'll go to where we can add themes. All right, so when you want to add themes, guys, you come to appearance. You see appearance, there's themes. Okay, these are the basic WordPress themes. These themes builders are free. Alright, these are free theme builders. Okay, these are free theme builders that you can use. You can use on the start to start building your WordPress website. Okay, so there is this marketplace where you can get your themes from, which are also free. I love using apps, Astra. So you come here, you come to add new, come to this search panel here, you search for Astra, ASTRA, ASTRA. When you search for abstract themes, you have very beautiful themes. Okay, permit me for my poor network. Okay, we are in. Okay, this is Astra. They have a lot of beautiful uh, themes. They have a lot of beautiful themes. So what we are going to do is we'll look for a theme that will suit our website. So what does Camilo's Review do? He is an affiliate marketer. He's a coach. He offers online courses too. So we'll be looking for a theme that will suit his business. Alright, so I've come here. You can look for something that will concern affiliate marketing. This one looks like Facebook. Yes, its name here is Pressbook News. Alright, that you can use that for a newspaper company. And then I really don't see something that looks like affiliate marketing here. Let's start affiliate marketing. Okay, now guys, what we'll be looking next is how you can install themes and plugins to your WordPress website. Okay, so let's head over to our site, to our dashboard. Alright, so basically this is already our dashboard. Let me refresh this. Okay, this is our WordPress dashboard. So guys, when next you log into your WordPress dashboard, you should just take note of these areas. Okay, note of the areas. So before we get to that, guys, let me share with you something. So I want you guys to take this very seriously, and it's not difficult. It's just for you to understand the basic functionality of every precept in this dashboard. Okay, for every software, for every skill, especially when it comes to computer sciences, especially when it comes to anything that concerns design or anything, you need to first of all learn the foundation, learn the basics well. Okay, so when you open to your WordPress dashboard as this, like this, sorry, you will need to learn the functionality of all the precepts in here. All right, so first we have this WordPress logo here. When you come here, you can have direct access to the about WordPress, the wordpress.org documentation about WordPress, support, feedback from WordPress. You can give your reviews here. Then coming here to this little home icon here at your top left, you'll see visit site. Okay, so this visit site helps you when you click here, it goes to the original site. All right, so you can look at the site like a visitor is looking at it. Okay, so this dashboard is the back end of the website. You understand? It's the it's the back end of the website. So it's only the developer that is eligible to see what is going on at the back end with the login details that you have. All right, so when you click on visit site, like I'll click here, I'll click on the open a new tab. When you open a new tab, you will take you to the site proper. All right, so this is how the site will look like. All right, So the site looks like this. You can see you already have some themes. You can see because the work has already been done in this website. Okay, so back to our dashboard, guys. So the next thing we'll be talking about is the post section. Okay, with here you can see all the posts. Okay, especially when it is a blog website, you can add posts, you can add new posts here, you can categorize your posts, you can do tags. All right, so we'll look at that when it comes to building our uh, blog website. Okay, so we have media. All right, this media contains all your pictures, your videos that you'll be using in your WordPress website. Okay, so when it comes to pages, you can manage your page, you can manage your pages here. Okay, so for instance, what are pages when it comes to web development? For you must have known. Let's go back here to this Camilo's review. We have our home page, we have how to, we have reviews, we have an about page. So here basically we have how many pages? We have 4 pages. Okay, so this is where you manage your pages. In this pages tab, this is comments. All right, here you can add comments, you can manage, you can delete comments. Sometimes some people can be very insulting in commenting on your on your website, and to that effect you don't want your visitors to come and see negative comments, so you can delete comments from this section. All right, so Elementor is a theme builder. Okay, it's a theme builder, it's a page editor that you can use in editing your WordPress. So this is a plugin. Okay, originally when you log into your WordPress dashboard, you will not see Elementor. Okay, so templates. Now we have templates, we have save template, pop-ups, theme builders, landing pages. So this all concerns Elementor. Okay, so WordPress forms. Okay, for WordPress forms now, guys, with WordPress forms are like when you fill any form on a website, that is like any form on the website, like a review form, comment section form, and that, like, when you want to collect data from your visitors, you definitely need forms. All right, you have contact forms. Okay, now we have appearance. This is where you manage your themes. Okay, we are getting there gradually. We have plugins, so let me just keep that because you're coming to that. You're coming that detailing. You're coming to that detailing. All right, so we have our users. Okay, you can edit your users here, who can manage this, who can manage your dashboard for you. All right, this is where you can add a user. All right, especially when you are building a website for a client, and he will need to be editing stuff, especially for a blog website, and you need to show the person how to edit stuff, how to edit pages, how to add blog posts in his WordPress website, and other stuff, how to edit them, how to remove the pictures, how to change pictures. So you will need to learn how to use this user section. All right, so the person will not be coming to you all the time for you to add a post, all those type of things that will be stressing you out. Okay, so most of the time it's not even in your contract terms. All right, so you need to add that to your contract terms if you need to be working on the site continuously. So at the end of the course, we'll talk about contract terms when it comes to web development. Okay, now we have our tools. Okay, tools section. Okay, we'll have to look at this in the long run. You have import. You can import your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript websites to WordPress. You have export. We can download a site. Okay, you can export personal data, all this type of stuff. Like you have gathered information from visitors and you want to export them as personal data. And this is the settings section. Okay, with the settings section you can manage everything on your dashboard. Okay guys, without no further ado, let's head over to our business of today. Okay, which is themes. All right, let's go to themes. We come to appearance, you click on themes. Okay, excuse me, this is the section for your themes. Okay, when you want to add themes to your WordPress website. All right, so now These are pre-made themes, free themes that you can use in your website. Okay, so here, if you want to add new theme, you can click on add. It will take you to this interface. So if you don't want to use a theme from WordPress and you want to upload your theme from your computer, you click on upload. Alright, click on upload there, click on choose file. You choose file, and then you navigate to your to your computer and see where your theme is. Okay, and see where your theme is, and you upload to your WordPress website, and you start editing. Okay, so for themes, guys, you don't need to do a lot. You don't need to build from scratch. You just edit the content of the theme, and your website is good to go. Alright, so let's come back one step behind. Okay, looking at our theme section here, let me just choose this. This looks like a tourism website. So let's click on review. Let's go to live review. Shit is taking more time. Okay, the reason why it's showing like that is because it is the theme that is being used here. Alright, look at the colors. You can compare the colors. It's the same colors. So what we'll do is we'll try to install this. Let's review this. Shit is taking more time to load. Okay, as you can see, this is it. Alright, it has a different interface. Look at the you see, look at the theme section. Look at the color templates. It's totally different from our original website. Okay, it's already totally different from our original website. Let's go to home. Yeah, totally different. So if you love this, if you love this appearance, okay, you can customize. Look at the footer section. You can customize this, so you can click on activate and publish. Okay, activate and publish. There you go back. Alright, just reload this. So if you want to check it, if it has been activated, guys, you just refresh your website and see. Alright, it did not go well. Let's go back to appearances, go back to themes. So let's choose at random themes here. Let's choose any theme here for educational purposes, just for example. Let's choose this ocean WP theme. Let's activate, skip and activate. Okay, it's showing that we should customize. Now it has been activated. Okay guys, so let's go to our